White House release published Thursday, June 12, 2025. Report: failure to pass One Big Beautiful Bill will kill 1.1+ million manufacturing jobs. A new report warns that more than 1.1 million manufacturing jobs and nearly 6 million jobs overall will be lost if Congress does not extend the Trump tax cuts included in President Donald J. Trump's One Big Beautiful Bill. The report highlights swift and severe negative effects on small businesses, which are described as completely avoidable. The report notes that over 96% of businesses in America are organized as pass-throughs. These businesses pay taxes at individual income tax rates. Tax reform created a 20% deduction to help these small businesses compete with corporations. This pass-through deduction will expire at the end of 2025. A recent survey found that 93% of pass-through manufacturers believe losing this deduction will harm their ability to grow, create jobs, and invest in their businesses. The reduction in the top tax rate and the 20% pass-through deduction have resulted in significant tax savings for small businesses. These savings have enabled investments in new equipment, machinery, facilities, and job creation. More than 74% of manufacturers have fewer than 20 employees. The report stresses that it is crucial for Congress to preserve competitive tax rates for small businesses. If Congress does not act, accelerated depreciation will be removed from the U.S. tax code for the first time in decades. This change would limit manufacturers' ability to invest in equipment and machinery needed for economic growth and job creation. It would also make it more costly for businesses to invest in the United States. The report also highlights that more than 90% of businesses in America are family-owned. Family-owned businesses are vital to the manufacturing supply chain and local communities. The estate tax exemption threshold is set to be reduced by half at the end of 2025. This change would subject more family business assets to taxation and threaten the viability of these businesses when the owner passes away. The report calls on Congress to protect family-owned manufacturers by preserving the increased exemption threshold. Thanks for listening. The full source material for this summary is in the description below.